What's up everybody, my name is JR aka the Sinister Camaro and welcome again to another exciting video. I'm so pumped, I'm so excited for this video because we've got basically a company reached out to me since the last mic review that we did and said, well, how about we send you some of our products, you can review it and possibly give it away on your channel. So that's what we're going to do today. Please stick around to the end of the video so that you can find out exactly how you can get your hands on what's in this box. So after talking to the company, I told them that since I'm new to YouTube, I've got my reputation to worry about, I'm going to give a 110% honest review about what's in this box. So everything I'm about to say is not scripted, not anything like that, just taking some good old products that's a lot cheaper than what I spent on mine to see does it compare with the high grade HyperX microphone that we bought not too long ago. So if you saw that video, thank you so much. Let's get started and break open this box and see exactly what's inside. And just as you'd imagined, just as packaging, that's a good thing. So here we go. The TONOR microphone. So basically this is like for all you streamers out there, this is going to be like a good mic setup for you. It's very cheap, very inexpensive. I think I spent on the HyperX, I spent about $140 and that's just on the microphone itself. It comes with a little bitty stand and a shock mount, which I enjoy, an LED built into it and all that stuff. This right here is going to be like basic level, basically you got a microphone, plug it in and you're ready to rock. So I wish I'd known about this. Maybe I would have picked it up, who knows, when I first started streaming. But for now, we're gonna pop this box open. So as you can plainly see, we've got a bunch of goodies in here. So for this box actually retails for $55. That's tax and everything included. 55 bucks for this whole entire setup. Whereas if you bought it somewhere else piece by piece, you'd probably be way past that. So basically, we're going to start with this. We've got the pop filter. This is basically what goes on the front of the microphone so that people don't spit all over it. And it's a good condenser, so you don't get that echoing effect while you're like in your room or anything like that. Next, we've got a shock mount. It's got a nice little screw-on mount so that you can put it on an arm and hold the microphone itself. Next we've got this little guy right here, which is another cover for the microphone in case this is the route you want to go. Makes it nice and padded so it's not echoey and it's condensed and you don't have the reverb that you normally have with just a basic microphone. Down. You've got a USB cable. One end goes into the microphone, one end goes into the computer. Simple info. This guy right here goes on the end of the arm. You basically just twist it so it's nice and snug up against your desk. You can adjust the positioning for the actual mount that goes in here. So this is your pop filter. Again, keeps you from, it's like a nice mesh material so you don't have to worry about getting spit all over your microphone, and gets good quality sound. Got a little clamp here that goes on your arm. Here's the arm itself. This is where everything goes on to. So you can basically mount it to your desk, swivel it around, make it go out, back in, and you've got another little adjustable point right here, which you can modify with this little screw on the side. So very nice. These springs right here on the sides, I don't know if you can see that or not, these are springs. They make a little bit of noise, so if you're moving this constantly during stream, you might get a little bit of that sound, so you might want to worry, put it in the right position before you start streaming, or maybe a good wraparound tape job will hold it in place so it doesn't make that noise every time you use it. I've got one of these myself that I ordered a while back for my microphone, but since it came with a stand, I don't really use it. But very good setup to have in case you're looking for doing that. And last but not least, here's the microphone. So you've got your up and down controls here on your volume, and that's about it. And and then you've got your plug-in down here at the bottom. So that's where your USB cord plugs into here and then goes straight into your computer. So it's not as heavy as the other one that I have. It's a little light. You can see it's got perforation on all the sides, and it's even got it on the top too. So make sure you got your noise coming in. Then we got a set of instructions, nice colored. Tells you pretty much how to set it up, what to look for. So it gives you everything you possibly need to set one of these up. Got some specifications in different languages and everything. But it looks very, very simple. Alright, so let's go over some specifications of this before we plug it in. So your polar pattern is going to be unidirectional. Sensitivity is -45 decibels, and your give or take about 3 decibels. Impedance is less than or equal to 2.2 kiloohms. And cable length is about 1.8 meters. And then your frequency response is 20 hertz to about 20,000 hertz. So in case you like that kind of stuff, if you're looking for something like that, then this would be the route you want to go. So without further ado, let's take this microphone into the PC build and see exactly if it can live up to being a good high quality microphone for around $55. This is exactly what it's going to look like when you're done. Now please ignore the mess. But we've got it mounted right here. I thought that this would be a problem because for my other one I actually had a huge problem trying to mount the bottom of this for whatever reason, but this seems very sturdy. It seems like I can move it all around and it won't care, but that other one that I bought, it will give way and break off. So definitely like this a whole lot better. You've got your point right here that you can pretty much tweak down. You got your knob here for your pop filter. I went ahead and put this guy on too, just in case, because you never know. You got a shock mount with your buttons up and down here. As you can see, the blue LED is on. If you want to turn off, just hold it down. There it goes off. Want it on, just plug it one time, and there you go. Now it looks like back here that there's like a screw on. If that will focus. There we go. So it looks like there's some kind of screw on the back. Maybe there's a nice little like cover that goes over it that I did not see in the box. Doesn't really hurt the performance or anything like that. It's just aesthetic appeal if you like it. This right here is adjustable, so you can put it anywhere you like. So yeah, that's pretty much the setup. It's very easy. I have it running into my PC here. It's already installed within 2 minutes. And as you can see, I'm talking and the microphone is going up and down. So we're definitely getting some feedback. So let's jump onto the computer and see how it performs versus the HyperX device. Alright, so welcome back guys. So right now I'm talking on my HyperX mic. This is the $140 microphone that I bought. So we're just going to do a little testing, see exactly what sounds good, what sounds bad, and different, whatnot. Now remember, this microphone comes with 4 different polar settings. You get basically your stereo, your talking between 2 people, the mode that actually is coming with this, and then basically just captured everything. So you got 4 modes on this guy, and it sounds really well. This is the stereo one. This is not included on that microphone at all. This is just on this one right here. But if I change it, so this, what you're hearing right now, is exactly the same setting that you're going to be hearing on the other microphone. We're basically going to do a test to see which one sounds better in this range. Before we get into that, let's just go ahead and jump on the website. This is their website right here. This is basically where you can go to buy it. You can buy on Amazon or directly from the website itself. But it comes with everything I've shown you before. You've got your basically your whole different setup right here. It comes with everything in the picture. So it's like a ready, set, go, right out of the box kind of setup. Then here you've got a comparison of what you would have to go through in the past on the bottom versus what you have now. So it's USB supported instead of having to go through a different box configuration, a USB sound card, or a higher microphone, like a higher dollar microphone setup that you'd have to get before with speaker setup, speaker plugins, and things like that. So definitely a lot easier to use with the USB. It's basically plug and play. It downloads the drivers for you, and then you're set up and ready to go. So that's great. As far as the sound, it's got the microphone in there. You got, because since it's condensed, you're going to have noise reduction. You're going to have that cardioid pickup and a 16mm diaphragm. So you're going to have a lot of range to go with. You've got your volume button. You can go up or down. You got a nice blue light to indicate that it's on. So if you do a short press on the plus or the minus, that will turn the mic on. Then the blue light is on. Now, if you do a long press of the plus or the minus, that will turn the mic off. So basically, short press on, long press turns it off. That's basically the gist of it. So again, this is everything that's included in it. It's a lot of stuff that if you went anywhere else, it's going to be a good chunk of change to get all this. There's a nice little setup what it's going to look like. Somebody using it and somebody recording. So that's basically what it is. If you want to like pause the video at this point and check out everything in here, you're more than welcome to do so. You've got a warranty. So you got a 12-month warranty for any defects or anything like that. So that's great. I love it. They also have other products as well. So feel free to check that out if you're on here. So I guess let's just jump right into it. So like I said before, this is the HyperX microphone. This is how it sounds. Now I'm going to plug in the other one and we're going to see exactly how that one sounds. Alright guys, how do I sound? Pretty much I've got the microphone going. It's pretty much set up as you have seen before. Just let me know which sounds better. Let me know in the comments below. Does this sound as good as the HyperX, or does this one actually sound better, sound worse? I'll leave that up to you. From what I can tell, everything's reading like it's supposed to be. I feel very comfortable with it. The design of the products are actually keeping intact for what I'm doing. So I'm actually very impressed for the money that you get to get all of this stuff all in one big package. When I first started streaming a few months ago, I was very just all over the place about a setup like this, where just I didn't know you could go cheaper, to be honest. I figured, you know, get the high-end stuff, get the best of the best that you can possibly get, and you can never go wrong with that. But these guys, I'm glad they reached out to me because I really like the structural integrity of the equipment. I love all the stuff that you get for it, because with the $140 mic, yeah, you get 4 portal options, and it's a great looking device. It's very nice for what it is. But I mean, if you're just starting out streaming and you don't have the money for a mic like that, but you want like the whole entire setup ready to go out of the box, definitely check this out. I'm actually very, very surprised at how much I like this, because I was really worried I'd have to write a bad review and the company wouldn't like me and more companies wouldn't come and just all that stuff about the YouTube channel and everything. But this setup is actually pretty neat, and you can adjust it. So if you don't want it in the shot, you can just bring it down here, still talk to it like you normally would. But if you want people to see it, if you want to hide your face, you can adjust it that way. I mean, you can pop filter in and out. You can take it off and just talk to it normally. I mean, the possibilities are endless, basically, is what I'm trying to say. For a $55 setup, I mean, 55 bucks, you get all this stuff. That's a pretty good deal. So guys, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this microphone? Is it a hit? Is it a miss? What do you guys think? Because to me, I'll be 110% honest with you, like I said I would be in the beginning. I give it 2 thumbs up, because for the price, for everything that you get in it, it's just incredible. I can't even believe it myself. So I definitely recommend this product if you're on a budget, if you're just starting out streaming. Definitely check these guys out. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go check them out for yourself, because you never know. You might need some of the other products that they have too. So thank you, TONOR, for sending me this equipment, for letting me review it and actually give my subscribers a very honest review of it. I don't want to give you any bad information because I'm a consumer too. I'm right there with you, and I want to make sure that you get the best bang for your buck. And definitely, if you have like 55 bucks laying around, go for this. For the people that have been here for the whole entire video, I just want to say thank you very much. This is a wonderful product. I hope you guys try it out. Let me know what you think of it. 2 thumbs up for me. I do approve. So for the giveaway, so we are going to be giving away this whole entire set that I put together and reviewed for you. So since I'm standing by the product, I'm going to give it to one of you guys. So I know somebody out there, there's a streamer somewhere, a singer who just wants to make it in the world, but they don't have the right setup. They don't really have that much money to work with. Whatever the case may be, this giveaway is for you. So if you win, I'm going to take everything that you've seen in this video, the whole entire microphone setup, and I'm going to be shipping it to your house. I'm going to cover shipping. All you've got to do, leave a like and then comment below. You can say anything you want. You can go in anybody else's comment. Just know that however many comments that you put on this video, that's how many chances you get to win. So it doesn't matter if you put 100, if you put 1. You're either going to have 100 chances or you're going to have a 1 chance. It doesn't matter. Here on the Sinister Camaro channel, I just want to build a great community and help you guys as much as I can, like I've been trying to do from when I began this channel in the first place. So feel free, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know about your day. Let me know about the channel. Whatever you want to talk about, go ahead and put that in the comments of this video, and you'll be entered in for the giveaway of this wonderful microphone setup. We'll give it a full week. So if by Tuesday next week, I will announce the winner, and then I'll have them reach out to me so that I can get their information, ship it to them, and everything like that. Definitely get in on that. I mean, what you got to lose? It's free. You can sell it afterwards. You can use it yourself. You can give it away to a friend or family that needs it more than you do. Whatever you decide to do it, it's your product, so it's up to you. Once again, thank you, TONOR, for sending me and for reaching out to me in my email your product. It's a great thing you're doing here, and I do appreciate it, especially for a small YouTuber like myself. I guess that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you don't miss awesome opportunities like this. And as always, stay sinister.
Perfect.